Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-00995 error in Oracle database 12c. So I open the SQL Plus editor, login as a common user called C ## card, which I have already created. Make sure that you have enough permission to execute the SQL queries. Okay, now there is one table called person, describe person, having two columns, name and age. So I am going to create one synonym for this table called person. So create synonym, insert for person. So let me execute this query. ORA-00995 missing or invalid synonym identifier error is thrown. So what is the problem is, here the synonym name is a reserved Oracle keyword, which is an invalid synonym name. So please provide the valid and acceptable synonym name, okay, by Oracle database. So I am providing the acceptable name as a synonym name, so which is a fix for ORA-00995 missing or invalid synonym identifier. So now you can see the synonym is got created successfully.